Hey everybody, it's Nate with Zone Off-Road, and today I want to show you our 1 3/4 inch leveling kit for the Chevy 1500 Trail Boss as well as the GMC Sierra AT4. Everything that you need to properly lift your Trail Boss or AT4 is right here on the bench, and what all is included is the preload spacers, top strut mount spacer, your Adventure Series upper control arms, all the necessary hardware and pieces that you'll need there, as well as weld-in steering stops if you so choose to choose those. We designed our leveling kit with preload spacers and a smaller top strut mount spacer because we want to look after the drivetrain. Other leveling kits on the market will feature a large top strut mount spacer or a large bottom strut spacer. And what that will do will prematurely wear out your CVs or prematurely wear out your upper control arms. And speaking of upper control arms, we actually mitigate that whole problem of the factory upper control arm issue by including our Adventure Series upper control arms. These upper control arms are a heavy-duty design. They have OE rubber bushings at the frame end as well as heavy-duty ball joints at the knuckle end. The ball joints are easily serviceable if you need to service them, and they are sealed away from the elements with an anodized machined cap. And back at the frame end with the OE rubber bushings, there is no maintenance required there, and they provide for a nice, quiet, comfortable ride. We include replacement hardware with this kit, including brake line relocation brackets, so that way you have a good OE function and form. Steering stops are included with this kit in case you want to run a factory wheel. This will help limit the steering angle to prevent tires from rubbing. When it comes to wheel and tire fitment with this leveling kit on a Chevy Trail Boss, you're going to be looking at up to a 35-inch tire, so we're going to be looking at a 35 1250 on an 18-inch wheel. That wheel is going to have a 5.5-inch back spacing. Down in the description, we're going to have a link where you can actually see a how-to install video of this kit on this Chevy Trail Boss behind me. If you have any further questions, make sure you hit us up at zoneoffroad.com.